Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts today. We are going to be testing out our lovely acrylic sprays and our mystical sprays. Got them all lined up here and I'm going to do a colour swatch. We've had quite a few people ask us to see all the lovely colours, so we're going to do that now. We've been having so much fun with these acrylic sprays and the mica sprays. I'm sure that you've seen them everywhere all over social media, and they've been going down a storm. So thank you for that, guys. Okay, so I've got my multifarious card here. You can use a multifarious or you can use the watercolor card. It just depends how much spray you're putting on it, how saturated the card is. The watercolor card is going to take more of the spray than what the multifarious is. But because we're just having a small, quick spray, we're going to use the multifarious today. Okay. So to start with, we've got cranberry. And that's a glorious pink. Now if we want a little bit more movement on this, or if we want to dilute it down, just add some water and you can see how it will just spread. Now if we bring another colour into that, it will start looking really good. I won't do yet though. I'm going to put that to the side with the cranberry and we're going to move on because we've got a lot to get through. So we have here sun yellow. Look at that, beautiful bright sunny day yellow. We have chartreuse. This is a colour I go to quite a lot to mix with all the other colours. Beautiful colour. They're all beautiful colours. Okay, we've got midnight blue. And that is really quite a strong colour, so I am going to dilute that down just to show you the true colour coming through. So it's almost like a hint of purple in that as well. We're going to use teal. Again, another strong colour, and you can water these down as much as you want and they will go a very long way. So again, another beautiful colour. We've got burnt umber. You know, initially that's not my favourite colour, but when you add water, it just changes completely. It's almost like kind of like a red brick colour. Quite a dark red brick. Right, I'm not going to actually show you this one because it's white. Well, I can spray it on just to show you how white that is. Okay, the white is great for just thinning other colours down. If you add a little bit of white to the pink, the bright pink, it'll actually pastel it all down as well. So it's another good use of white. So we've got emerald green here. That's stunning. Look at that colour. And again, water it down. That's another gorgeous colour. Periwinkle. Very bright blue. Makes me think of the sea. Stunning. Claret. which is, it's a little bit darker than the pink that we had before. It's almost like a more of a purple pink. Bright orange. Don't think we've done that one. Whoa, that is bright. Gorgeous. And then lastly, we have brick. Going to add that little bit of water again. See that lovely true colour. Okay, so those are our acrylic sprays. So we're now going to move on to our mystical sprays, which are our mica infused sprays. So we'll move on to those now. Okay, so we have our lovely mysticals here, which are mica infused. These look amazing over the top of the acrylics, or you can use them by themselves. You can stamp over the top as well. I'm going to pop them onto our multifarious card. You can use watercolour card as well. You won't be able to see the mica until it dries really, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to show you under the camera the full colour swatch, but you can see what the base colour is, and then when they're all dry we can show you into the camera then, and you'll be able to see all the micas that come through. So we've got silver in this one. This is our fruit sorbet. The mica will gather at the bottom, but a quick shake and it will all disperse. So it doesn't take much at all. Keep your lids on. As you know, nozzles will get blocked if you don't keep your lid on, and that goes with any kind of sprays. So we've got our beautiful pink there, and that's our fruit sorbet. Again, I can show you the mica as soon as it dries off. We've got bumblebee, and we've got like it's a gold, the mica in this one. Let's pop that down. I mean, the camera really doesn't do any justice to these lovely sprays. We'll wait till they're dry, as I say, and we will show you all the mica that comes through. Okay, so this one is Pinkella, and we've got a silver mica in this one. So quick shake and it's ready to go. Okay, so we've got amber green this time, and we've got a lovely copper mica in this one. Quick shake. As you can see, it's all dispersed. Get the nozzle facing the right way, otherwise I'll end it with a green face. That is just beautiful. That is one of my favourites. That copper that comes through on that green is just gorgeous. We've got Kingfisher, and we know that this is Emma's favourite, and we have a copper infused mica there. So quick shake and we're good to go. We can also spray water over the top of this as well if we wanted to dilute it down. You can add that water and just let it do its own thing. We've got Purple Orchid, and and this has a gold mica within it. And you can see that gold. Well, I hope you can see that gold coming through. Mahogany twist, and this one is, just get my card, this is a gold infused as well. So again, quick shake, all dispersed, ready to spray. We can also get some textures going on if we wanted to add some water. Just pick some water up. I use my fingers, I know, but you can use cotton wool buds. You can use the tips of blenders. It just gives you that little bit of texture. I mean, what a great background, something ready to stamp straight onto. We have spring moss. This is a copper mica. So quick mix. Another gorgeous colour. That copper, definitely like, I think the copper is my favourite with greens. Next we've got Blue Moon, and we have a silver mica in this one. That's beautiful. Again, we can add a little bit of water we want. You can see that lovely silver, which is sort of a cooling colour. Be great for winter scenes, this. We've got is Golden Temple, and that is a copper infused mica. Quick shake. And that really is quite a golden colour. So it's not quite yellow, sort of almost like a very pale orange, and with that copper in it as well, it just brings it to life. We have Indian Sunset. Oh, we've got a gold based mica in this one. Lastly, we have Chestnut Bay, and that has a gold mica in it. So let's give that a quick shake. It's quite autumnal. That would look fabulous with the orange and the yellows. Okay guys, so we've got all our colour swatches done now. We're going to lay them out so that you can see them nice and clear in a picture afterwards. If you would like to learn about anything, if you are stuck on anything, if you just want to know how to do something, why something's not working for you, please comment below and we will do our best to answer any questions. That's why we're doing quick crafts. Thanks everyone, take care, bye for now.